Hello viewers, welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. Let's solve IMO paper of class 6 Saturday 2021. You can see answers at the end of video. If in a certain code language equation is written as GSWCRGML, then how will latitude be written in the same language? Now simply form two tables, one for equation, one for latitude. Now write the code for equation and find out the difference between the letters E and G, Q and S, U and W. So in the same way you can write the code for latitude. Introducing Aman, Kritika says his daughter's mother is the only daughter of my father's wife. How is Kritika related to Aman? Now, for this type of question, you have to read the question twice or thrice to understand the relationship. Now, there are two relationships in this figure. His daughter's mother means Aman's daughter mother. Now, Aman's daughter mother will be his wife. Is the only daughter of my father's wife. So, Kritika's father, second relationship, Kritika's father wife will be her mother. Now, his daughter's mother is the only daughter of my father's wife. Now see the two relationship and you will understand how Kritika is related to Aman. Which of the following options will complete the pattern in the given figure? Now in this type of question you have to look for the clues. See the half shapes formed. So you can see in this pattern in the second square half rectangle is forming, and in the third rectangle half semicircle is forming and 1/4 semicircle is there. Now see in which option these figures are getting complete, so that will be the answer. So you have to look for the half rectangle, half semicircle and quarter circle. Niharika is 15th from the right hand and 18th from the left hand in a row of girls. How many girls are there in the row? Now see the figure. Niharika is 15th from the right hand. That means after Niharika there are 14 students on the right side. Now again Niharika is 18th from the left hand. So there are 17 students on the left side of Niharika. Now total students will be 17 plus Niharika plus 14 students. So total 17 plus Niharika means 18 students. 18 plus 14 is 32. So total there will be 32 students. In which of the following figures the given figure is exactly embedded as one of its parts? Now see the figure and find in which option it is embedded, exactly embedded. Arrange the given words as they occur in a dictionary and select the correct option. Now you have to arrange the given word as they occur in dictionary. So for that you can see FE is there in all the words. So start with the third letter. So I have marked the third letter in every word, so you can start with that. If two letters are same, you can go comparing the next letter. If plus denotes division, minus denotes addition, multiplication denotes subtraction and division denotes multiplication, then find the value of 18 minus 12 plus 6 divided by 2 into 5. Now first write the equation as it is. Now change the sign. Now plus denotes division. So 12 plus 6 will be 12 divided by 6, and minus denotes addition. So 18 minus 12 will be 18 plus 12. Okay, and then subtraction, multiplication denotes subtraction. So multiplication is 2 into 5. So 2 minus, it will be 2 minus 5. And division denotes multiplication. Now division was 6 divided by 2, so it will be replace by multiplication, 6 into 2. So our new equation will be 18 plus 12 divided by 6 into 2 minus 5. Now we'll solve the equation. Now first we will follow the BODMAS rule. So first division, 12 divided by 6 will be 2. Now in next step multiplication, 2 into 2 will be 4. Now addition, 18 plus 4 will be 22 minus 5 will be 17. So first replace the signs and then follow the BODMAS rule to solve the equation. Find the mirror image of the given figure if mirror is placed along MN. Now you have to find the mirror image when mirror is placed along MN. Now the mirror image of triangle will be formed same, and for circle and for lines the mirror image will be same. Now just to find the mirror image, just exchange the left and right side. So first the right side will come and then the left side will come. So you can check your answers at the end of video. Find the odd one out. From option A, B, C, D, you have to find the odd one. So it's an easy question. You do it, try yourself, and you can check your answers at the end of video. If the digits of the following numbers are reversed and then the numbers are arranged in descending order, then what will be the sum of the digits of the second number? Now first arrange the given numbers in reverse order. So reverse, I have written the reverse order of the number. Now then arrange the number in descending. So we will arrange descending up to second number because we need the sum of the digits of the second number. So second number here is 849. So find the sum of 8, 4 and 9. Suhani is facing towards southwest. She turns 225° anti-clockwise and then 315° clockwise. Which direction is she facing now? Now see the three situations in the figure below. So in first, Suhani is facing southwest. Now in second, she turns 225° anti-clockwise. So after turning 225 anti-clockwise, she is facing north. See, she is facing southwest, so from southwest to northeast will be 180°, and then from northeast to north 225°. So after turning to 25 anti-clockwise, she is facing north. Now see the third picture. From north she turned 315° clockwise. Now 315° will be northwest from north. So the answer will be northwest. Which of the following cubes can be formed if the given sheet of paper is folded to form a cube? Now let's look at each option and discuss which can be the option to form the cube. So option A, 6 is in front and 5 is above. Now if you see the given sheet, 1 is above 6. So option A is not possible. Now look at option B. 1 is in front, 5 is above and 6 will be at the bottom. Yeah, and 4 will be at the back, 2 will be on the right hand side and 3 will be on the left hand side. So this can be a possible option. Let's see option C. Now in option C, 6 is in front, 1 is above and 4th is coming on the right hand side, which is not possible as 4 is below 6 in the given figure. Now option D, 1 is coming in front but 2 is coming above 1. So it is also not possible as per the given figure. So option B will be the right answer. There is a definite relationship between figures 1 and 2. Establish a similar relationship between figures 3 and 4 by selecting a suitable figure from the options that would replace the question mark in figure 4. So there is a relationship between figure 1 and 2. We have to establish the same relationship in 3 and 4, and we have to find the missing figure 4. Now let's discuss 1 and 2 first. So in first two shapes are given, triangle and rectangle. Now in second, rectangle is coming first, then inside that is a triangle, and inside that is the join of these two shapes. Now establish similar relationship in figure 3 and 4. So what will be the outside shape, what will be the inside shape? You can see the options, figure 1 and 2, and choose the correct answer. In the given Venn diagram, which of the following number represents the married females who are not employed? So there are three circles given, one for female, one for employed, one for married. Now to choose married females who are not employed, we need only two circles overlapping each other, female and married. We don't want employed circle there. So if we see, we can see there are 7 married females. See, circle, female circle is overlapping with married circle where the 7, number 7 lies. So this is the correct answer. Find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the three figures. Now same rule is followed in all the three figures, so find the rule first from the first two figures, then apply the rule in third figure and find out the missing number. You can check your answers at the end of video. See answers of all questions here. You can check the answers here. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments what type of video you want to see.